Okay, let's go. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is from Eric Holmlund, a well-known internet marketer. It's called really KDP, two birds, one stone. You get the idea. You're going to kill two birds with one stone. And really it's three birds because it's about publishing ebooks on, Kindle, Amazon, that kind of thing, publishing physical books, and then being able to sell the PLR rights to this product, I think, is the way it works. We'll go through this very quickly. The part you're going to love is it costs $7.71. So this came out of nowhere, must have been released a few months back. And then I just saw it pop up and I went, hey, I'll do a quick little thing because this people are interested in. Get your own ebook and printed book on Amazon in under 24 hours. You got $8? You ready to do this? Okay. And you can cash in by selling this as your own product. So the KDP, like that's what I was saying, it's the PLR thing as well. So there we go. You get the idea. They're going to put it on Amazon. You're going to get money from it, and you're going to learn how to use the promotional tools. An hour and 20 minutes of tutorial video showing the exact process, over the shoulder kind of thing, how to create. You get the audio, you get the text, you get the graphics, you get the promo tools, the pictures and so on, download page and so on to be able to sell it. And the sales page, just like this, plus a download page, and away you go. And the whole thing, so an hour and 20 minutes in, you could be selling this for $97 just as a course. Today, $7.71. KDP, two birds with one stone. Click that link. So you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. And there's a bit of a description about it, but you get the idea. It's all about training on how to get yourself published in Amazon in multiple formats. So both ebook and physical book formats by the end of the day. Pretty cool. Step-by-step guide. It's an hour and 20 of video over the shoulder, the whole 9 yards. And you have PLR rights to the whole thing. You couldn't ask for much more. $7.71. I'm going to cut it short. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can click the product box like this or the link at the bottom of that post. Either one will take you right to this page. $7.71 as we speak. You can learn how to publish on KDP. You can have it as a product that you can sell yourself, all for $7.71. So click the link in the video description and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. From Eric Holmlund, this is KDP, two birds, one stone. Enjoy.